Ban pensngau syakishkor ka sorkar yaki jingeh ka thain Sutnga Saipung constituency bat ka East Jaintia Hills district. Ka MLA kan thai ka Bamarwe ka Ridum Jaintia ka Kong Santa Mary Shylla, kalaya shimbenta ya ka jingkran ulat, haka dorbar mangting ka jong ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela, haka kathandai terik rempang. Kalaong ba ka constituency jongka, kadai ka bahe ha put usam henry hadu menta, empat la ban penyaso yaki shnong da ki surok babha. Kalaong ba ka dan buon ki surok, henry kidai ki bas niu tasam bat kanika kata yaka yok ka kot jong ki nong song shnong kathan. Kala kadauru yaki katu kat ni ki surok ki badan kambha banshna, ki bakan thop yaka saipung pala semasi road, Jalia Narwan Road, bat kumju yaka NH6 ha Shilenter ke East Jaintia Hills nadu lum shnong hadu malidor. Kala Kren ru halor ke puli puthi bat ka kot ka khia kane kathan ka barang sa dien habaro kilyang.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. So I rise to support the motion of thanks to the Governor's address delivered by the Governor on the 16th February 2024 before the House. I am optimistic that the vision and objects of the address is put into action both in letter and spirit for the good of our state. I am thankful to the government for its various initiatives, especially in the fields of agriculture, fishery, animal husbandry, which are all in the best interest of our farmers, as mentioned in the government's address. Through this address, I wish to highlight few issues which I feel government should address to lift our rural population. My constituency, sir, is one of the largest in terms of geography and also has many roads which are not in good condition. The bad condition of the village roads affects the productivity and affects the economic welfare of the people, especially given the fact that the village in my constituency are scattered in far-flung locations. I therefore seek government's attention to this road, namely which are Saipung Pala Semesi Road, DSS MH Road, and Jalia to Narwan Road. Sir, I wish to draw the attention of the government once again to the deteriorating and deplorable condition of NH6 in East Jaintia Hills district, which falls from Lumchunong to Malidor, particularly around Sonapur Tunnel, up to Patarkuna village. So the stretch from Sonapur village till Patarkuna village is in the worst possible state, and it is a matter of shame for our state that the national highway is in such a state. Thousands of vehicles pass through this road on a daily basis, and that is the backbone of many Northeast states, yet the National Highway Authority of India has been negligent in maintaining this crucial highway. Sir, even the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has expressed sincere concern about the conditions of the National Highway 6 in East Jaintia Hills district. And in spite of many undertakings by the NHAI, the state of the road is a matter of great concern. The state should take serious note of this, and is also my earnest request that the process for laning of the NH6 should be expedited as the present road cannot meet the traffic requirement. Sir, East Jaintia Hills till date does not have the government college and higher secondary school of its own. This affects the people, especially those from poor economic background, as education in the cities are quite expensive, coupled with rent, distance, and means of livelihood to which poor people cannot sustain, and such economic hardship force our students to drop out of college. Education is the fundamental for growth, and it is a great sense of responsibility that I wish to demand from the government that the government college and higher secondary school be set in East Jaintia Hills district for the benefit of our people, which ultimately lead to the growth of our state. Sir, I wish to thank the government for approving the opening of the ITI in East Jaintia Hills district, and I'm also told that the funds have also been allocated for the construction of the same. Last year in the month of September, sir, 2023, the JID department has handed over the old DC office cleared for temporary use of the ITI so as to enable it to start functioning. But sir, I wish to inform the government that the ITI is not yet start its operation. Therefore, I wish to request the government to look into this matter and to ensure that the ITI in Cleared starts its operation and class as early as possible, at least from its temporary campus, which will ultimately benefit the youth of our state. I also would like to I'm thankful to the government for its sincere efforts in paving this way of scientific mining of coal in our state, despite criticism from various quarters. I am optimistic that the process of environmental clearance will be expedited and that the government will take all actions to ensure that the environmental clearance is cleared as to enable resumption and legal coal mining in our state. Sir, the Lomshnong CNRD block was inaugurated in the year 2022, but due to various legitimate difficulties, the same is yet to start functioning. I therefore wish to request the government to kindly appoint staff and a regular BDO for Lomshnong block so as to enable the block office to start functioning. The delay in making the office functional has made the people to question the government. I therefore call the serious attention and action on this matter. Sir, I would also like to thank the government for the sanction of 16 crore.63 crore for 16 crore.63 lakhs for the purpose of upgradation of infrastructure at Cleared Civil Hospital, East Jaintia Hills. And also, sir, there's a need to upgrade many health infrastructure in my constituency to ease the problem faced by the people and to ensure they get proper care without having to go to town and cities. It is thus I wish to once again demand from the government to upgrade Umkyang PHC to CHC, Semisi Sub-Center to Primary Health Center, creation of Health Sub-Center at Hingaria Village, and to ensure that these centers are equipped with proper equipments. Before I conclude, sir, I wish to request the government to take possible steps to ensure that rural areas are not neglected and that the growth and finance is equally distributed. I'm sure that the government will take all measures for the good of our people. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.